For most Californians, buying a home is the biggest purchase you'll ever make. With such an important decision, you'll want to surround yourself with experts, the most important one being your real estate agent. So it's worth taking the time to carefully choose the right agent for you. In this video, we'll cover tips for finding a trustworthy real estate agent, where to start your search, and how to file a complaint with the California Department of Real Estate, or DRE, if you run into issues that can't be resolved. This video is for those looking to buy a home. If you're looking to sell a home, check out our other video on finding a real estate agent for sellers. When buying a house, your real estate agent will locate and show you homes that meet your wants and needs and are in your price range. They should also work with you and negotiate on your behalf throughout the entire purchase process, including making an offer, negotiating with the seller's agent, explaining the disclosures and other paperwork to you, and representing your interests all the way through the close of escrow. When you close escrow, most real estate agents are paid with a commission, a percentage of the sales price, which most often comes from the seller's proceeds. Step 1 to finding your real estate agent is making sure they're licensed by the California Department of Real Estate, or DRE. By law, all real estate agents in California must be licensed. You should always verify an agent's license information with DRE. You can do this on our website. The link to the public license information lookup tool is in the video description below. If you find license information, you'll then want to check the license status. Is it listed as expired, or surrendered, suspended, revoked, or licensed MBA? If it is, the person does not have a current license and cannot negotiate your purchase for you. You should also check to see if the comments section on the license record shows an H number, R number, or DNR number. All of these indicate that DRE has previously taken disciplinary action against the license. You can request to hear more about some disciplinary actions by calling DRE at 877-373-4542. Step 2 is identifying a few potential agents before you make a final choice. There are a few different ways you can start your search. Ask your personal network of friends, neighbors, and other trusted individuals for referrals, especially if they've worked with an agent in the area where you want to buy. Ask if the agent has any professional affiliations with real estate or mortgage organizations, and be sure to verify any affiliations. If they claim to have any certifications, ask for proof. You can also check resources like the Better Business Bureau and Chambers of Commerce, which often have directories where you can sort through reviews of different agents. Avoid relying on simple online searches. Step 3. Once you've found a few potential agents, it's a good idea to interview them in person at their office. Some good questions to ask are, what experience do you have working in the area where I want to buy? What parts of the transaction are negotiable and which are not? Will you give me contact information from some former clients so I can talk to them? Then be sure to follow up on those references. You'll also want to be aware if the transaction involves dual agency. This occurs when a real estate broker represents both the seller and the buyer, usually through two salespersons who represent each party. Although dual agency is legal in California, can help streamline the process and potentially lead to reduced commission costs, there are some risks to keep in mind. Since real estate agents are expected to negotiate the highest possible prices for the seller and the lowest possible price for the buyer, agents cannot tell the seller that the buyer is willing to pay more than the offering prices, or tell the buyer that the seller is willing to sell for less than the listing price. Real estate agents may also be unethically influenced by double commission to close a transaction, even when it is not in the best interests of one or both clients. Although not likely, You could have some problems with your agent. If you can't take care of those problems, or if you believe your real estate agent may have done something wrong, you can file a complaint with DRE. DRE can potentially take action against that agent's license, depending on the circumstances, but cannot act as a court of law. So you'll want to consult an attorney if you have an issue about the purchase contract or if you're looking for any type of refund. The link to file a complaint online is in the video description below. You can also mail a complaint form, or RE519, to one of our district offices. The form and instructions for mailing are in the description as well. If you're a first-time home buyer, we encourage you to check out our First Home California page for more information and resources. That's linked in the video description below. Following the tips in this video should help you find the right real estate agent and make the purchase of a new home the start of an exciting and rewarding chapter in your life. Thank you for watching.